What's up, everyone? Just cleaned up the rig. I want to show you guys more in depth of what I have set up. So for starters, I'm running a 4 gallon per minute Simpson 4400 psi. This has made me a lot of money. I've had no issues with that whatsoever. This is my downstream injector. I plugged the old one and I've using this, so I have a little ball valve in here that I can use. Put this into my chemical tank, or my house mix, which is this 5 gallon jug right here. I keep my bleach in here. It's empty right now. This is that's a 35 gallon. This is a 65 gallon batch tank. This is for my soft wash system. I have a homemade Gilmore gun. Got my switch right here, so all I have to do is come back here, flip the switch, ready to go. This is my 100-foot hose that goes to the house, and what I can do for this is it feeds directly into the pressure washer right here. If I'm using my soft wash system or I need to rinse it out, I can just turn this on. It comes through here. I can fill this tank with water, or I can just flush it through here and flush my soft wash system. Back here I have my degreasers, 50/50 surfactant, just random stuff I need. Xylene when I'm testing concrete. Have my wand back here. Bungee cords for my tarp if I need it. 20-inch surface cleaner. It's a Whirlaway BE. This is my broom I have. 150-foot 3/4 inch hose. Do not get this. It sucks. Stainless steel quick connects. DN10 ball valve. A lot of upgrades to come this next season. I mainly built this cheap soft wash system for really dirty driveways to prevent streaking. I also have it, for pavers and the occasional roof. I don't do a lot of roofs, but anyway, have that. This is gonna get upgraded. This box is gonna get upgraded. This reel's getting upgraded. This reel, this hose, and eventually I'm gonna go bigger with a pressure washer and a trailer. But this has made me lots of money, and it's working out really well. This is self-made pretty much. When I started, I was loading up a 2.5 gallon per minute Simpson in the back of my Jeep, throwing the hose back there, but this works out really well. I'm very proud of my setup. I also have so I can fill up my 50/50 containers for my chemical tank. Oh yeah, I made this homemade. I just drilled holes into my trailer, bolted this in, attached these right here, and I just use a bungee cord to keep it secure. It's the kind of the poor man's startup kit, but it works really well. I love my sign. My sign is what really makes it look professional. If you check out my website, I designed my website myself. I'm really proud of that also. It looks really professional. If you guys know anything about Google Ads, leave any tips in the comments, because I'm starting to learn Google Ads, and I'm not gonna lie, it's it's kind of tricky, but I'm getting the hang of it. That's the tape I left out. But anyway, this is my setup. Hope you guys like it. I have another video, but I wanted a more in-depth video. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Like this video if you would. I'm not trying to get famous or sell you anything, but I just enjoy making videos. I love pressure washing. I love what I do. So And here's my home. I don't know if you can see it, but my kids out there with the dog and the old lady. They're out walking around. But anyway, you guys have a good night.